How to fix Android apps not downloading. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and here are some quick fixes. Without further ado, let's begin. Restart your phone. A simple reboot can fix temporary issues. For that, hold power button on the device. Then swipe towards restart and check whether your issue resolved or not. Second method is you need to check internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If your Wi-Fi is not working well, you can switch to mobile data and vice versa. Now head to the settings application. Scroll to the bottom of your screen. Tap about device and choose storage. And make sure you have enough free space. Sometimes not having free space creates the issues in not downloading on your Android phone. Now, if this is not the cause, you need to check date and time settings. So head to the settings, select additional settings, select date and time, and enable automatic date and time. If the quick fix this doesn't help you, you simply need to clear the Play Storage cache and data versus the advanced fixes. To do that, you need to long press on Google Play Store, select eye icon, and here tap on Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. If this doesn't help, you need to tap on clear data and delete all the datas. Now you have to try downloading any application from Google Play Store. If that doesn't help, you can easily check for the Play Store update. Open Google Play Store. Then you need to navigate to the profile and then tap on settings, and here you can easily find out updates of Play Store. If there is any, then you can easily check the updates of Google Play Store. Tap Update Play Store and update to the latest version. And with that, your Play Store should now download apps without any issues. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.